code. Yes, you know where you are? This is Peculiar Hair and Styles, where you see the latest in hairstyles trend around the world. Yes, sometimes you get to see tutorial on how to achieve some of these styles. Hairstyles like twisting to cornrows, natural hairstyles, braiding for adults, kids and more. So if you enjoy what we do here, you can support us by making sure you like and comment on our video each time you finish watching. Share this video out to your family and friends, okay? And make sure you put the bell notification to all so you don't get to miss anytime we upload a new video. You will be the first to watch. Yes. So guys, stay tuned. I will be sitting right here and watch this video from beginning to the end with you guys. Yes. So friends, today's video you are watching, I'm using fading braids, ponytail cornrows. Yes guys, so this type of hairstyles you will achieve them with hair extension of any color. So if you are looking for any hairstyle to change your look or for any event or occasion, being it church, office work or party, any party at all, no matter the type of event, okay? So all these styles you are watching right now are very perfect and suitable for any type of occasion and also perfect for any outfit. Yes guys, so just go ahead and make your choice. All these styles are also perfect for any hair color or any hair length, okay? Being it short hair or long hair, but not super short, you know what I mean? Short hair, okay, not super short. So if you're carrying long hair or short hair, you don't need to be worried about if these styles will be okay with your hair length, okay? Just relax. So long as you have a very good hairstylist that can give you what you desire, okay? Yeah. So just go ahead and make your selections, okay? Let me know at the comment section which is your favorite. Yes. I hope you enjoy watching. If you do, don't forget to like this video before you leave. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all. Here comes the end of today's video. I'm going to see you all on my next one. Till then, continue taking care of yourself. Keep loving yourself. I love you too. Bye. Bye guys.